This was my first ever meetup, hosted by N1 Concept showcasing their flawless red beauty. But the day had its twists. A long wait, fading hopes of seeing the R8, and just when we thought it was all over, boom, the cops showed up. So what is up YouTube? So today is going to be a special ride and it is the first time I'm going for a meetup. Not mine of course. हम तो छोटे YouTuber हैं. लेकिन there's a special one coming for us straight away from Kochi and that is none other than N1 Concepts. It is worldwide famous man. So they are doing all India tour and we are lucky enough that we are getting one in Goa. So yeah, I'm heading towards it and I'm just done with my work. And there are a lot of people will be coming in and around Goa, a lot of custom bikes and cars. So let's see, it's gonna be something exciting. I'm ready for it. So see you guys. So alongside with me, I have my neighbor who's also a YouTuber. I'll list his channel over here on the screen. Baby Rider 44 I guess. I don't know about the number. Sorry bro.
Forgive me and forget me.
Will be joining his fellows because I don't know anyone. I don't know if I'll be meeting some of the people whom I know. So let's see how it's going to be after a long time socializing. हाँ जिम में तो करता हूँ मैं थोड़ा सा लेकिन उतना नहीं होता है ना.
आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझ लीजिए.
But let's see how it goes. A lot of people, new faces, excited for it. Especially for the N1 Concept because they are exhibiting their red beauty. I saw their stories and I was drooling, literally drooling.
Oh God!
Now as I was shooting the vlog as well, I saw many drivers, many riders going through this meet. All were very excited, like this guy who's enjoying Goa. Now I have my chest mount mounted here. I mean chest mount here. क्योंकि सिनेमैटिक तो बनता है ना, थोड़ा सा सिनेमैटिक तो बनता ही चाहिए.
बात तो सही है.
So I guess I'll be meeting his fellow riders. Let's see. कैसा ट्रैवल यात्रा है? Okay. I'll wait until he fuels up. Okay. I'll see you guys in another, I don't know how many minutes, but yes.
2 hours later.
So we are all set to go. So alongside I have Rohan as well, who has joined. And this guy is clicking our snaps. Celebrity feeling.
भाषण कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया ये?
So I'll catch you guys up at the location where all sorts of bike enthusiasts and car enthusiasts will assemble. The only fear is of the cops. Before the cops showed up, there was quite a wait at the meetup spot as the arrival of the Red Beauty got delayed. But don't worry, I'm not about to let you down. The rest of the lineup was already packed up with some mean machines ready to roll. But the Red Beauty was still nowhere in sight, and with time slipping away, we decided to leave. Feeling a bit defeated, thinking we had missed our chance. If suppose we don't get anything, I'll sum it up over here only. And I would say, my first meetup was unsuccessful.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
Just when hope seemed lost, fate had one last twist in store for us. Hello? Ile. Hello. Eshi sanya, betlan thode. Oh. There is the Mercedes truck. Finally, we saw that Mercedes truck. But just as we arrived, the cops pulled up too, adding an unexpected twist to the scene.
फिर And then finally, the beautiful Audi R8 arrived. We couldn't stick around for a smaller conversation since I had other work lined up. But man, the experience was surreal. And that's coming from someone who usually avoids noisy environments.
Nice.
And what a day, what a day. The red beauty is all what we came for. So we are heading home now. Not wasting any more time there. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys love this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down on this beautiful meetup. Because it had a lot of drama. It had a lot of scenes. And so video like Zalmon. So peace out and Dev Baragar.